Here we go, another episode. Today, Reef. DeFi made easy, the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics, and multi-chain accessibility, powered by Polkadot. And Reef is on Binance. That's good. That gives it a lot of liquidity. It's easy to get, big exchange. Investors, let's see, ecosystem, DeFi financial infrastructures. We got 0x, Kyber, Maker, Compound, Synthetics, exchange and trading market, Coinbase. So this would be like your decentralized and centralized. Kraken, Binance, Coinbase. Reef gets liquidity from everywhere, both centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Reef is here to solve liquidity problems, yield problems, and fragmentation problems. Powered by Polkadot. Here is the roadmap. 2021, Reef LP and Farms Binance Access Integration, Reef Basket Engine version 1, Reef Client version 1, Yield Engine version 1, and Fiat Gateway integration. Quarter 2, 2021, Smart Asset Management version 1, Reef Basket Dynamic Pooling Mechanism version 1, Moonbeam support, and Plasm support. Quarter 3, 2021, Reef SDK, Reef Treasury mobile app and NFT baskets. So it looks like there's a lot of good stuff on the way. This is something that's working and working towards something else. You know, it's still in production or development or however you want to talk about that. All these links will be below. Medium. Reef happened naturally after observing certain problems repeating in different industries over and over again. Let's see. This is a pretty long, it's a little bit longer, but basically Reef is the first cross-chain DeFi operating system built on Polkadot. With a seamless user interface, Reef offers its users a smart liquidity aggregator and yield engine that enables trading with access to liquidity from both centralized and decentralized exchanges, while offering smart lending, borrowing, staking, mining through AI-driven, personalized Reef yield engine. Reef Finance Yield Engine, cross-chain solution to maximize DeFi yield. One of the major components of Reef Protocol is the machine learning and AI-powered DeFi yield engine. For most DeFi users, they do not have the capacity to learn and benefit from all the DeFi projects that provide high yield. Often the yield fluctuates as well, causing assets to move from one platform to another on a regular basis. There are many forms of yield engines which have been developed and running in the ecosystem at the moment, with major players currently being Compound, Curve, Yearn, Balancer, and a number of new protocols in the pipelines. Reef Engine maximizes its potential by being a cross-chain yield engine, tapping into DeFi protocols across multiple blockchains. This is possible because of the cross-chain functionalities and tooling of the Polkadot ecosystem. Reef Yield Engine features a multi-asset support, staking support, liquidity farming, insurance coverage, and integration compatibility. AI personalized smart engine. Augmented decision making. About Reef, and we talked about this before, this is verbatim what we just read earlier on the last article. Reef Finance integrates with Avalanche blockchain. This is January of this year. Reef Finance is integrating with Avalanche blockchain, AVAX, enabling users to access decentralized finance, or DeFi, applications in the Avalanche ecosystem directly through Reef's platform. The project is planning to roll out initial features Q1 2021. That's right now. Reef Finance launching on Avalanche to empower a new wave of cross-chain DeFi. Integration will enable users to access Avalanche's DeFi ecosystem directly through Reef's platform. Again, this is January. It basically says the same thing with a little more detail. Monthly review, January 2021, Reef community update. Partnerships and update. Avalanche. Avalanche is an interoperable, highly scalable, open source platform for designing dApps and enterprise blockchains. The Reef and Avalanche partnership allows users to access DeFi activities on Avalanche directly through Reef's platform and unites the two DeFi ecosystems. Moreover, Avalanche affiliate tokens will be included in Reef's baskets, and our users will be able to channel capital into AVAX to maximize savings and earn higher interest. Open DeFi allows users to invest in real-world assets like gold, use their assets as collateral for loans, or earn a rental on their assets, all via on-chain synthetics. This partnership enables investments in real-world assets powered by Open DeFi through Reef Finance. Moreover, it empowers Reef to provide its users the opportunity to invest in this rapidly growing segment of DeFi market, serving as an all-in-one portal for the DeFi world. Bzx Protocol is an Ethereum-based decentralized platform that offers various DeFi applications such as shorting, leveraging, borrowing, and lending. Through its Fulcrum and Torque platforms, this partnership allows Reef users to access various leveraged baskets through Bzx and the Bzx farming pool. Will also be added to Reef's AI and machine learning powered analytics engine. Unifi Protocol is a suite of non-custodial, interoperable, decentralized, and multi-chain smart contracts, which are being used to build the next generation DeFi projects. This partnership will allow Reef users to access Unifi's liquidity pools through the Reef platform itself and utilize the yield-generating opportunities that are there. The Manta Network is a privacy-first DeFi platform that is building a cross-chain, privacy-preserving, price-stable DEX based on Substrate. Through this partnership, Reef will provide its users access to liquidity from the Manta Network DEX. Manta is leveraging Polkadot's parachain architecture to bring interoperability to Manta DEX. This will allow Manta to support any parachain asset on their interface, bringing the tremendous opportunity for growth in the Manta ecosystem. And here's some community updates and token updates. Reef is now listed on Huobi Global. Reef is now included on the underlying assets of Polkadot ecosystem composite index perpetual contract by Binance Futures. Reef was the second highest in weight of the total underlying assets of the Dogeco after KSM. Following that, MXC Exchange launched 3x leveraging EFTs for the Dogeco Composite Index perpetual contract that included Reef. Reef was added for staking on uniform yield by Open DeFi, allowing users to earn up to 250% API. Reef Finance was one of the 5 projects participating in the uniform yield by Open DeFi, along with Open DeFi, Manta Network, Centaur, and Frontier. And Reef was open for isolated margin trading on Binance. We launched Reef Trading Contest in association with OpenOcean, enabling its trade for 0 trading fees, and launched the Reef Trading Competition for 3 users. Some AMAs with Avalanche, Bzx, Huobi, and Binance. Reef USD. The growing popularity of DeFi space shows no signs of slowing down. Several new platforms making promising innovative products pop up every other day, and this makes it increasingly difficult to keep track of all the new developments. Reef's AI and machine learning powered algorithms attempt to address this problem by aggregating liquidity from various sources in order to offer users the most profitable option. And then it goes on, talks about some of the stuff that we just talked about again in more detail, price currently, and so on. So Reef Finance, popular right now. It's on everywhere. It's when I look at videos of other people's stuff just to kind of see what's going on in the world, I see Reef in the comments everywhere. Reefer in my comments everywhere. So 24-hour trading volume, 335 million. It is at 4.7 cents, down 10% over the last 24 hours. But as you can see, in the meantime, it's been going up pretty good. It looks like there's a lot of stuff on the future. We have a higher volume coming through. Binance, we're looking $229 million alone on this one in 24-hour trading volume. And CoinMarketCap has it listed at $145 million and 145.5 million market cap and 276.8 million in 24-hour trading volume. Total supply is 3.9 million with 3 of them in circulation. And this is ranked 164 on CoinMarketCap and not ranked on Reef on CoinGecko. Okay, big things for Reef Finance coming up. It looks like in quarter 2 and 3 of this year. We'll see you in the next one, and best of luck on your investments. Cheers.